So nature reed's a water reed and it is resistant to moisture and mould and termite resistant. So I think they're key elements for anybody who's looking for materials for their backyard. A lovely application of nature reed is to use it as a pergola lining for shading. It provides filtered light, so you get that beautiful dappled look. You also reduce your heat by up to 60 to 70%, which allows you to sit outside on those really hot days and still enjoy your garden and yet not swelter away. You can make it waterproof by putting some clear polycarbonate over the top of the nature reed. So even though it still allows the light to come through, it's weatherproof on those rainy days. Another application that I really like is to look at your old paling fences or colour bond fencing that surrounds your garden and just clad it with the nature reed. It softens it, it adds colour, and it usually complements your planting really, really nicely. And then when you're spending your time out in the garden, you're looking at the canvas backdrop of the material that enhances the plants that you've put in there.